Speculations on the function of madness. Insanity is a purgatory of the mind's birth. Its contractions and expansions assemble in the only way they can, in a propulsion of shards, a burst exploding the straitjacket of linear consciousness. A deviation from reason is as sacred as the preservation of reason. One form functions as an extended dream paranoid of rules. The other retains an integrity of the structures which emerge as imprints of the probing of the human spirit. What seems a non sequitur to the businessman is a holy man's bread and butter, and everything for which there is no known category thus jars the template of the Western mind. Madness is far more necessary to the evolution of human consciousness than is tolerable, comfortable peace. One of these states is a drive to wake life up. The other a form of inertia which keeps life asleep. The status quo, with its language and labels, minimizes the mechanisms of perception, delegating quadrants of concepts and silent hierarchies of social order to be absorbed by the collective psyche. This falsely satiates the appetite for answers and dulls our capacity for wonder. The original mind, an enemy of this superficial consensus, does not sacrifice its ability for independent thought. When the normal and revolutionary trends of human behavior are inverted within a civilization, when the tenuous ambiance of cultural expectation meets the force of individual dynamo, the result over time is a planet wherein its inhabitants greet each other respectfully as ambassadors to their own worlds, rather than as shapes within a pattern of assumptions or as attachments to a broader matrix. Tribalism, as a vehicle of pragmatism, loses its footing in the wilderness of new forms of consciousness. As it fades into obsolescence, human beings will naturally optimize their ability to learn from one another, while at the same time preserving maximum autonomy and freedom. Until the infinity of such points in space and time are achieved for all life on Earth, however, insanity will remain a necessary expression along the path to progress, both as a symbol of humanity's unresolved yearnings and of its subtle, more primordial grievances. Never let them drown out your passionate screams or the tears you cry for the deepest reasons of your own. They are the human future and the human now, and the precious human forms of all our love and wonder.